And you can see none of it's dried. Oh, it's just slightly burning there, so we're ready basically. And all that lovely juice is thickened up a bit. I like to spread out the noodles a little. When you can just hear that sizzling, turn off the heat, which I've already done because the video stopped, and you're ready. Always try to use the residual heat when cooking at the very end of the process. It's much more economical and it'll save you quite a bit of electricity bills over a year. You know, everyone would like an extra 50 quid at Christmas, wouldn't they? If you use that residual heat, you'll be reducing your bills by quite a bit. Now, I don't use my heating much, but my electricity bills are about £28 a month direct debit. Although I do cold shower, I must say. And I only use the kettle occasionally for washing up and stuff, because I'll generally use the hot items to heat water, wash the cutlery in the pan. Not too wise to put the bowl on there, because you might end up putting your hand underneath and it'll be a bit too hot. But I like to do it because I'm careful. But I don't recommend you do this. Put the bowl onto the hot, it keeps it a bit warmer. That water wasn't too warm and it's been sat there a while, so my bowl's a bit cold. So I'm going to do that today, but generally don't do that. I've left plates on hobs that were quite hot before and they've cracked with my food on. So that wasn't too good. And there is your wonderful stir fry. No bother at all. I always do that as well. And this. Bit of water in there for later. Back on the warm pan. And we're done. Bon appetit.